Filling the ENBA portal is a marathon, not a sprint. Since your pre-qualifier is approved and you have until May 20, 2026, you have roughly 5 to 6 weeks. Given your role as HOD, this is the critical zone for documentation. Based on typical timelines for polytechnic departments, here is the estimated time required and a strategic plan to cross the finish line. 1. Estimated time required. Filling the portal is often 20% data entry and 80% data verification. Phase. Estimated time. Description. Data collection, 100 to 120 hours. Collecting COPO mappings, placement records, and faculty files. Portal entry, 30 to 40 hours. Manually typing and uploading data into the ENBA system. Verification, 20 hours. Cross-checking Part A with Part B, especially Section 5. Total, approximately 150 to 180 hours. Spread across your departmental team. 2. Strategic 6-week plan. Target, May 20th submission. Week 1. Foundation and Part A, now April 17th. Focus, institutional and departmental information. Action, complete Part A fully. This is mostly administrative. Intake, approvals, land details. HOD task, assign criteria owners, e.g., one faculty member for Criterion 3, another for Criterion 4. Week 2. The core metrics, April 18th to April 24th. Focus, Criterion 3, course outcomes and program outcomes, and Criterion 4, students' performance. Action, ensure all COPO matrices are ready in Excel before touching the portal. For Criterion 4, calculate the success rate and placement ratios, CAY, CAYM1, CAYM2. Week 3, faculty and facilities, April 25th to May 1st. Focus, Criterion 5, faculty info, and Criterion 6, facilities. Action, upload faculty publications, R&D details, and interaction with the outside world. Verify lab equipment lists against the curriculum requirements. Week 4, the logic sections, May 2nd to May 8th. Focus, Criterion 1, 2, and 7, vision, mission, curriculum, continuous improvement. Action, write the descriptive answers. Use the right answer editor mentioned in the previous instructions. Crucial. This is when you handle the continuous improvement section based on the gaps identified in previous years. Week 5. Final entry and cross-sync, May 9th to May 15th. Focus, portal completion. Action. Start the actual save calculate marathon. Caution. Remember the Section 5 rule. Save the first table first, then manually update the second and third tables. Check Section 9 to ensure all grids are updated after changes in Section 4/5. Week 6. Buffer and submission, May 16th to May 20th. Focus, quality audit and payment. Action, generate the full SR PDF from the portal. Have a mock internal auditor review it. Submission, aim to submit by May 18th. The portal often slows down 24 to 48 hours before a major deadline due to high traffic. 3. Important pro tips for an HOD. Excel first. Never type directly into the portal for the first time. Keep everything in a master Excel sheet. The calculate trap. Always click calculate before save in Part B to ensure the portal's internal logic updates your marks. Section 4, PG SAR, prerequisite. If you are filling any PG data, remember that marks for 4.1.1 to 4.1.3 are derived. If your marks look wrong, go back to the tables above them and resave. Do you have all the COPO mapping and student placement data ready in Excel, or do you need a template to help organize that first?